Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the subject law and ethics. In that, specifically, I'm going to teach about ethics. Teach means this is a theory subject. I cannot sit and read everything. Just I will tell the important points so you can listen that carefully, which is based on only question paper. Ethics is a very small chapter, which is 8 pages. If you see, it is the page number 411 to just it is 420, means just only 9 pages, and it will come for 10 marks. In last question paper they asked for in the write a short notes question number 8 they asked for 5 marks consumer movement and ethics, and question numbers 7 they asked for 10 marks. Okay, what is the areas in business ethics? Write a note of the same. So I can't show in the PDF format. I have in the hard copy. I'm just saying, I'm telling, that is intermediate examination June 2018. You can see the question number 7 and question number 8, totally 15 marks ethics. So don't keep in option and don't neglect this chapter, because this is giving 15 marks for only you are studying 7 to 8 pages, which is very easy. So now we are going to that chapter. Okay, you can see here now study note 14, that is ethics. I'll tell you the important points which is related to study or which is related to exam. Okay, just you can see this is study note number 14, that is a you're watching CMA Leaf channel, which is for CMA student. And if you are not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe my channel, that is CMA Leaf. For more update click on bell icon and continue the watching video. Okay, study note 14 ethics, they are given the content. You can see here ethics, that is now they are given here. Study note include whatever the note include: meaning, importance, nature and relevance, business. They are given values of attitudes of professional accountants, 7 principles of public life, and ethics in business. Don't ask me that whatever the important and not. Ethics, everything is important, and it is not at all tough. It is a general. So you have to read each point and write down the only related points. Just read each and every lines, paragraphs, because how much you will read in ethics, you can frame the sentences your own. No need to frame the same thing, because it is a ethics. This first paragraph is important. Okay, so just this first paragraph, that is ethics is a set of rules that define right and wrong conduct. The term ethics derived from Latin word ethos, that is just make right underline on ethos, because they will ask for in the fill in the blanks. Okay, ethics is a set of rules that define right and wrong conduct, means they are telling ethics is the set of rules. It is a ethics means actually it is a behavior. You are behaving right or wrong, it will define ethics. Okay, ethics is a set of rules that defines right and wrong conduct. The terms ethics derived from Latin word ethos. Just remember word ethos, which means character. Ethos, which means character. Ethics is a social science which deals with the concepts such as right and wrong. Ethics is a social science. You can see here, ethics is a social science which deals with the concept as right and wrong, moral and immoral, good and bad behavior. So whenever you are answering the question, try to write first paragraph, which is important, because it will give good effect to the examiner, who are evaluator, who are seeing our question paper. Okay, then these all the next level of theory, whatever you are seeing from this to this, you just read it, and whichever you feel important or you feel okay, this has some weightage, so I can write that sentences, just write it. Like see here, ethics are the set of moral principles and guide a person behavior, or some other while ethical beliefs are held by individuals, they can also reflect the values, practices, and policies and shape of choices made by a decision maker on behalf of the organization. Like some, if you're feeling that this word it will give good impression, you can keep in the answer sheet. Okay, if they are asking some questions related to ethics, just write down some basic points, then you go with the exact answer. Okay, now this is bit important. Type of ethics, that is, ethics may be divided into three types as follow: meta ethics, normative ethics, applied ethics. Now we are going to next page, that is this paragraph also important, just I'm making highlighted. Meta ethics deals with the nature of judgment. Just if they ask for types and some sentence, you can write down this full paragraph about the types of ethics. Okay, meta ethics deals with the nature of moral judgment. It looks at the origins and meanings of the ethical principle. Normative ethics is a concerned with the content of moral judgment and the criteria for what is right or wrong. Applied ethics looks at controversial topics like war, animal right, and capital punishment. Okay, if they asked about the details, what is meta ethics, what is normative ethics, and applied ethics, just write down these points. These points are easy and important. Okay, now next they are telling about importance of ethics, nature and relevance of business, and value and attitudes of professional accountants, value chain. So till here you just read yourself, because as per the point wise I will tell you whatever the important, but don't skip anything. Just from important of ethics to till value of attitudes, till here just read it, because you'll get some points, and if you understand you can frame your sentences as you want. If you didn't read or you don't have knowledge about that, you can't able to write down the sentences in the examination. And don't create your own sentence which is you can understand. Just go through the point wise and then you create your own things. Okay, chain value means, just remember this point. What the chain value includes: customer focus, key success factor, continuous improvement, value chain, and supply chain analysis. This important point just keep in your mind, because these points only give you the main weightage of your answers. Okay, just whenever you are writing related to question, just keep the key points in your mind. Okay, now professional ethics is important, so just read it. Mission statement in the statement of ICAI, they never asked, but we don't know what institute will ask. Now the next 7 principles of public life. This is very important. Okay, the 7 principles of public life. Likely they used to ask this kind of question, that is, 7 principles of public life. Okay, there are 7 principles will include, that is, you can see here this para, you just only read this. I cannot sit and read because there is nothing. Just important point I will tell you, just listen what I am telling, because it is a theory subject. Each and every statement if I start to describe, it won't be finished in the small videos. So I will tell you the proper points, just keep in mind. 7 principles of ethics. Okay, 7 principles of public life, that is, you can see here: selflessness, integrity, objectivity, accountability, openness, honesty, and leadership. These 7 principles are very important. These are key points. You just remember this, because if you write the key points also, that is also more than enough. But with key points, if you write one sentence, whatever they, or just it is related, it will give more weightage and they won't cut the marks. Okay, so this key point just remember. Don't make any mess up while writing. You can write up and down, that is not a problem, but don't forget the key points. The seven principles are selflessness, integrity, objectivity, accountability, openness, honesty, and leadership. These seven principles will come. Okay. Selflessness, integrity, objectivity, accountability, openness, honesty, and leadership. In that, just write down one sentence. Here already only one sentence, so you don't have option to write down any other things. So selflessness means holder of public office should act solely in the terms of public interest. Means holder of the public office. Holder of the public office means owner of the public company, or who are maintaining of the government officers should act solely in the terms of public interest. He should act as per the public interest, not his own interest. Like that, one sentence you just add with this, you will get totally 7 to 7 marks, or maybe they will give 10 marks. Okay, whatever they are allotted the marks. Like this, integrity also write one sentence, one or two sentence which is likely related to that word. Okay, so like this, just complete till leadership. If you are not able to write also, you can write selflessness, integrity, objectivity, accountability, openness, honesty, and leadership. This is the answer for seven principles of public life. Okay, till this I will finish the video in next video, because lot of content is there. If I make big videos I cannot keep. So in next video I will continue with the ethics in business. This is also important point. So in next video I will start with ethics in business, and I'll try to complete full ethics. Thanks for the watching video, and thanks a lot. Bye bye.